The Trump campaign and Nevada Republican Party are suing Clark County, claiming the county violated state election law while counting early votes. The Trump campaign attorney says that election officials would, quote, apparently prefer to avoid accountability and hide ballot processing and counting behind closed doors rather than do so transparently as the law requires. And this comes after the GOP sent a letter to Nevada's Secretary of State claiming observers were not allowed in all the rooms where ballots are handled and claiming they were positioned too far away for meaningful observation. The county denied those claims, and the lawsuit calls for the county to stop counting mail-in ballots that the judge declined this. Nevada Democrats responded with a statement writing in part, Trump and Republicans have resorted to baseless attacks to undermine confidence in Nevada's election integrity. So it's no surprise that now, as Democrats hold a significant mail ballot lead in Clark County, Republicans are making one more desperate play.